so I know, I'm a quick wit. I'm a quick wit.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Look, people like a loud sneeze. Every now and then I feel that orgasm, lean into it. But I was on a flight and this person was blowing their nose like a trombone to the point that it startled me. It was, everyone was shook, and I'm like, is that genetic? Is your nose canal a certain angle that it comes out?
Oh, fuck. No. It feels so horrible.
There it is. Does anyone else sneeze after they've eaten, or is it just me? Like, seriously, after every fucking meal, I sneeze.
Oh, hello, lovely people in my phone. I don't know what's happened, but all of a sudden, I've just sneezed about. Oh, hang on, I just spotted something. Oh my gosh, something has royally set me off, and I don't know what it is. But that is about the 12th sneeze that I've done in a row. Oh no, my eyes have got red. And there's more, and suddenly I'm really nasally. Anyway, hello!
When we do have time to be with one another, I take such advantage of it. Salute.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, it's the cat's fault.
Yeah.
Well, they're hypoallergenic cats.
Oh no.
No cat is completely hypoallergenic.
Oh my God.
I know I said I was
Gotta get one little taste. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me?
That wasn't too loud.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.